Good morning everyone, welcome to Motor Connect Northwich. Today we're just going to do a quick walk around video for you of this 71 plate Toyota CHR 1.8 XL hybrid. As you can see, this car is finished in the very popular pearlescent white. It does come with the front parking sensors, and just to finish this car off a bit further, obviously you will see it does come with the 18-inch graphite grey alloy wheels. Just as we move on to the interior of the vehicle, you will see it has got the full leather. This is heated as well. Just a little bit more about this car, just sort of the specification on it. Obviously it's got the reversing camera, sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, automatic lights, etc, steering wheel controls, air conditioning, and obviously as we move around to the rear of the vehicle as well, you will see it does come with the rear parking sensors, and obviously it has got the front parking sensors as well on this. Just as we move further around the vehicle, you will see what does set this car off is it has got the tinted and privacy glass, which does give it that sportier look. So if you would like any more information on this 17,000 mile Toyota CHR, please feel free to give us a call on 01606 539 359, or please feel free to visit the website www.motorconnect.co.uk. Thank you.